Hi, champions. It's Miss Curry. I'm back. Lots of good ways to use my voice. I'm so glad I have a choice. Sing, speak, whisper, shout. Let the world know what it's all about. It's week 4 of the continuous learning plan, and this week, kindergarten, first, and second grade will be learning all about the different ways to use your voices. You get to listen to a really fun book called Mortimer. There's some fun activities you can do, and there's some discussion prompts that you can talk with mom and dad about different ways to use your voices. Do you remember which voice is for outside? Hmm. Check back next week and I'll give you the answer. Third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade, you're going to work on identifying dynamics and tempo. Dynamics are the louds and the softs in music. Tempo is how fast the music goes. Tempo is kind of like the speedometer in a car that lets you know how fast you're driving. You also have some activities to do and some discussion prompts. If you get done with those activities and you still want more, check out the challenge questions. The challenge right here gives you some fun stuff to do. I hope you're enjoying our continuous learning plan and all the fun things you can do in music, PE, library, and art. And I'll see you next week. Bye.